Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. So guys, here I'm just coming with some cleaning motivation and cooking inspiration. If you want to get some ideas of how to cook the green lentil, just for a change, eat something different, not always eating meat, you won't regret it. It's very tasty, like it's very tasty. So I will be cooking the green lentil and also just cleaning my kitchen, a bit of sitting room, just tidying up there, and then also just kind of like just tidying up my bathroom also later on in the video. Yeah, so this was on the Monday. Usually have a lot to do, like I'm just standing from in the morning up until nighttime. That's how it is. Since on weekends I'm just really just lazing around doing not so much, but my daughter does help a lot. I must say she does help a lot on the weekends. Yeah, so but because mama's also just lazing around, the work is a bit more on a Monday. So yeah guys, I hope you get some motivation here and some cooking inspiration.
I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. But she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never.
And if it's your first time and you like this kind of content, which is just mommy life content, I clean, I cook, the normal housewife duties guys that I do here. If you like the content and you find it satisfying to watch, please do subscribe. I would love you to have you on my family guys. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this video, but I recorded this video like long time, I think beginning of August. If ever I do upload this video in September, which I'll be taking a social media break, like not even a social media break, I'm taking a cell phone break, which means I'll still be using my cell phone. I have two cell phones, which is the other one is just my normal cell phone where I do all these things like we WhatsApp and all that, and then the other one is just mainly for working. There I will delete even Instagram. The only thing that I will have there is YouTube, only also on uploading days. So when I upload my videos, obviously YouTube app must be on. So that will be the day that yeah. And then all the other apps I will delete because I'm just trying to take a break from actually just using my phone. I just want to see if I can do it, and I have to start from scratch and slowly adjust to what is the middle ground of actually balancing my life as a mom, concentrating on my children, concentrating on my family, and also doing this YouTube thing, social media thing.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the groove. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying, I may be going,
Okay, guys, I think that's where I'm just gonna end talking. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. I really appreciate you, and I hope you understand the reason I'm taking a break, especially to my fellow content creators. You know what we do, guys, we support each other, and if you don't see me by your house, you must know that I need this. So I will be back as from the 1st of October, and I will resume as normal. Obviously, I have to limit myself. That's the whole reason I'm doing this, just to try get that balance in using social media. As I said earlier on, I just think I was becoming too much addicted to it, and I was even before starting a YouTube channel. Like I'm always googling something, or I'm always just YouTubing something. That's just me. Like I'm always even YouTubing something that I already know. Like I just feel like you cannot know enough. Like you always have to upgrade yourself and learn more. But I feel like sometimes I do it, it's extreme. So I just want to put that balance. Yeah, if you happen to want to come and support me, and you're one of our fellow content creators, I'll appreciate that. That would be very nice. You know me, when I do it proper. I'm honest, genuine person. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video you'll find some motivation in it. And then that dal, when I dish up at the end, the picture is not as how I wanted it to be, but believe you me, it's very tasty. Give it a try, just to add on your meals. I mean, it's so stressful what to cook every day. Yeah, so I will try and also share maybe a bit of what I'm going to be doing in this break of mine, of trying just to detox social media. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but yeah, I'll try and share. But at the moment, because this video was recorded actually beginning of August, but then somehow, yeah, life happened, and at the moment I'm just going through it. Like it's like the universe was saying, take a break, something is happening, something is coming. Yeah, anyway, I cannot share my personal matters, but yeah, one of my children is really not fine, so I'm a bit stressful at the moment. So but I'll see, I'll try to upload what I can, what I can't. No stress. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support. See you on my next upload. Bye bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let